Hi everyone, we got ourselves a fresh on the floor 2026 Road Glide Limited. This is dark billiard gray with black finish. Start in the front, work our way to the back as we always do. Got the brand new fairing on there with the W light. Integrated turn signals right up into that light there too. Got brand new wheels this year. 10 spoke branch into a 20 spoke. The new lower leg lights or fog lights. The new lower leg fairings as well. 117 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission. This is the Gen 2 117 and also the VVT variant as well. You have variable valve timing in here. Bike will come with ABS, security, cruise control, traction control, cornering ABS, cornering traction control, heated grips. Painted inner fairing comes standard on these two. We have Rockford Fosgate Stage 1 speakers. Also, this does have the modes. So you have rain mode, road mode, sport mode, and then you can also create a custom mode as well. Brand new tour pack this year called the Grand Tour Pack. Also with the Rockford Fosgate Stage 1 speakers in there. It's got a new light back there too. Very, how do I put this? It's like a diffused light. So it's very, very bright, but it looks very clean and smooth. All LEDs in the back as well. And this thing's got heated seats for both rider and passenger. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson, 1966, Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.